Hey guys, this is Kathy and Todd from Just Out and About, and tonight we are out and about, and we are sitting in the Carowinds parking lot waiting for the Walmart drone show.
Right.
We, courtesy of a friend of ours, William Butler, he has a channel and
Vacay every day.
Vacay every day, and he is also on Instagram and Facebook under that too. So go check him out. But he could not attend tonight, and so he was nice enough to offer his tickets to us.
So thank you very much, William. We appreciate it.
Yep. So we are sitting here maybe about 10-15 minutes before the show, and it is a rainy, cold night.
Yeah, it's raining, so we'll try to bring you the best coverage we can.
Right.
There's a pretty good crowd out here at Carowinds this evening, so sit back and join us and enjoy.
Yep. And they also gave us a big bag of goodies. So when we get back, probably home, we'll look and see what all is in that bag. We can't, it's just kind of hard here in the car. And hopefully the rain may ease up enough to where we can maybe get out of the car and film out of the car. So
all right guys, so stay with us.
Yep.
If you're excited to be here, let me hear those horns.
Living the life on the road. I used to go around saying I didn't need nobody.
Excited you're here with us tonight for the first ever holiday drone show. I'm Gwen with iHeartRadio, and this party is getting started. We have got a fantastic sing-along family favorite holiday trolls show for you to enjoy. And then after that, our drones will take flight. So enjoy a little trolls and sing along to your favorites.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Jingle with me, baby. 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 Jingle with me, jingle with me, baby.
Okay, so we are back, and I thought I would take a minute and go through what is all in this Walmart bag. Okay, so we got a $10 off a $50 Walmart pickup order. That's pretty good. We got looks like a Trolls holiday party kit. Several of those. That's pretty cool. Okay. Lots of snacks. So, some lime and jalapeno Doritos. Guys, this thing is just packed full of, oh my goodness, I didn't even know these things existed. Look at that. My favorite cereal. Oh my gosh, and now we have toiletries. What the heck is this? That is a wrapping paper cutter. That's pretty cool. Shampoo and conditioner. Oh, Whoppers. Love Whoppers. Some more Whoppers. M&M's. Some more Pantene. Oh, maybe we were supposed to actually use those tonight. They're glow sticks. Oh, a candy cane. Well, I'm sure we can find someone to give those to. Oh, some ginger ale after you've eaten all those snacks and your stomach hurts. Wow, okay, some more conditioner and shampoo, granola bar. Okay, so that tells you how to use the glow sticks, and this is just telling you all about some of the candies. Some kind of offer from Walmart. I'm not sure what exactly all that is. Oh, there's a survey. Some more Canada Dry, ginger ale. Oh, and some vapor inhalers for those winter colds. So that's it, guys. The bag is empty. That is a lot of stuff that they packed into those bags. And every person, every car that went through got one of those bags. Okay, so what did you think about the drone show?
I was like really impressed by it. Spectacular show put on by Walmart. I would definitely go to see it again. It's amazing how, all those little drones can form all of these moving.
And not just they form a picture.
Yeah.
It's a moving.
It's a moving image, like a moving Christmas image, like you'll see in the video of Rudolph, with his legs actually moving. It was just, it was amazing. And the snowflakes coming down, I mean, everything, it was beautiful. I'm really glad we went.
Yeah. And thanks again to William.
Yeah, thank you, William. Big thumbs up to you. We really enjoyed the show. Thanks again.
Yeah. What was your favorite?
My favorite was Rudolph, actually. There was a kind of a distant looking Rudolph where you saw the whole Rudolph, with his legs going and everything, and then they did like a close up of mainly like his torso. But I mean, to me that was just incredible, how they did that.
Yeah.
So
I think my favorite, or maybe, was the Santa.
Yeah, the Santa.
It was the Rudolph or the Santa. Yeah.
But
I don't know. The Santa was really sweet.
Yeah, the whole show was spectacular, though. They even had a Frosty.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you guys are ever in an area where Walmart is putting on this show, definitely go out and see it. Check it out, because you'll definitely be glad you did.
Yeah. All right, guys. So happy holidays. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Bye, guys.
Bye.